welcome back to my channel again. And today's video ay pupunta tayo ng store where we will buy groceries. So malapit lang dito, mga 10 minutes by walk lang. So tara. Okay, so let's go to the store at maglalakad lang tayo. Mga 10 minutes lang. So malapit lang ang store dito. Yan ang isang store for grocery na malapit, na pinakamalapit dito sa amin. So mga 10 minutes walk by walk. At ngayon ay napakainit. Pero okay lang kasi malapit na ang winter din. I mean ang fall dito. Mga next month na giginaw na naman. Giginaw naman dito sa US. Okay, so yan lang. Ito ang daan patungo sa sa Walmart, ang name ng grocery store nila dito. So bibili rin ako ng uniform for my job because I found a job, and then mabibili lang rin sa Walmart. So let's try to look. I hope I will find it. Kasi needed here to wear a uniform. Most of the jobs here, it's they are wearing a uniform. So let's find out. So, malapit na tayo sa Walmart. Yun, kita ng name ng store, Walmart. So, I hope there are there are not so many shoppers will do today. Kasi maraming magpapa-counter kapag busy. And today is Friday, so I hope it's not crowded today. So yan ang Walmart. Makikita natin dito, meron din ditong mga fast food like Wendy's, KFC, Arby's. So may tinatawag din silang Dollar General, like a small mini grocery. Yan ang KFC. Then Lawlers barbecue, masarap din yan. Okay, so malapit na tayo sa Walmart. Bibili tayo ng prutas. At saka uniform for my work. So yan na ang grocery na malaki at very known grocery here in America, because a lot stores like this in most area of the states. most area in each state dito sa America. Very famous. So, malapit na tayo sa entrance. So, let's go! Okay, dito na tayo. Let's go inside. Oh, ang init dito sa labas, tapos ang ginaw sa loob. Okay, let's get a cart. Let's get a cart for... Okay, so pineapple is $2.38 ang isa. $2.38 ang isa. So let's get one. Let's get one pineapple. Okay, let's get one. So, ito ang mga prutas nila. May mangga, apple, orange, melon. Maraming prutas ngayon. Full pack. Full pack sila ngayon. Okay, apple. Try to see their apple. Ooh. Okay, meron din silang melon, $3.87. So, $3.87. Okay, let's get one. Sana madala ko to. Kasi ang bigat, maglalakad lang ako. Meron din silang melon golden dew. This one? Never tried this one. And cantaloupe. Cantaloupe. That one, and kiwi, and papaya, banana, tomato, and okay, let's try. Okay, I cannot bring a lot of fruits because I'll just walk, so I'll not bring a lot. So for now, I'll buy watermelon, pineapple, and apple. Yeah, this apple, my husband likes this apple here, so let's get one. Let's get one. Okay, so yan ang mga fruit, mga vegetable nila dito. So ito may iba't ibang klase na pepper. So meron silang bell orange, this one bell orange, bell red, bell yellow. So iba't ibang klase ng bell pepper. At meron din silang bell 3 city mix. Ang laki nito. Tapos meron din silang serrano pepper. Ito ang maanghang na katulad ng ano natin, sili na espada. At meron din silang maliit na size for salad. Okay, I'm gonna get one of this for salad. Okay. Yeah, so they have corn. Ang laki ng ano nila. Is this spring onion? I don't know if this is spring onion, the name. Basta ang laki. At cabbage na red. So, yan ang mga ano nila, gulay dito. At meron din silang eggplant na $1.56. So, malaki din ang size. Hindi parehas sa Philippines. Okay. So, the same lang naman ang iba sa Pilipinas. Okay, bili rin tayo ng banana. I don't know if I can bring this all, but I'll try. But, yeah. So, let's try to see if there is still green. It is not ripe yet because my husband will bring it with him in the truck. So hopefully this will take longer before it gets ano tawag nito? Hinog na hinog. Kasi Monday he will leave again to work. So he will start eating this Monday. So let's try to look at green. Okay, so now ay punta naman tayo dito sa biscuit section nila. So meron sila ditong mga cookies na may, this one is for sale, $3.93 because it's about to overdue na. So it's about to expire. So yeah, yan ang mga cookies nila, mga bread nila nandyan. So may mga, they also have here a different flavor of sweets, the donut. So mga matatamis meron sila dito. Ito ay sale na. Yellow. Pag yellow tag, meaning sale because it's about to expire. Like today is the expiration. So that's why they sale. So the yellow tag. So these are the breads. Here are the muffin or yeah, mga masasarap, mga matatamis. Okay. This I will show you the frog legs. They have a frog legs. Look at that. The frozen frog legs. So they sell here a frog legs. So they also have lobster, clams, scallops. So mga frozen seafoods they have here. Okay, ito ang mga isda nila dito. So mga hindi frozen itong section na to. So mga ano lang dito, mga fresh. So ito ang palagi kong binibili. Pero ngayon hindi ako bibili kasi meron pa ako sa bahay. So yan ang tuna fish. So there are shrimp. So ito naman ay ang beef section. Tapos pork section nandun. So yun. Okay, so ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa hotdog section nila. So bibili tayo ng hotdogs for the hotdog one. Kasi sabi ni Mr. wala na siyang hotdog. So bili tayo ng hotdog. These are their bacon section. Tapos sausages, hotdogs. So dito din ang hotdog. Yun ang hotdog nila. But my husband is usually use this na Nathan hotdog and Hebrew. So let's get one each and one each. Okay, let's go to the bread section. Let's look for a bun. Hot dog bun. And sandwich. Okay, so here are the sandwich and the bun. Let's look. Okay, so let's go to the dress section. So dito tayo sa dress nila. Hahanap tayo ng uniform pang trabaho. Okay, so I just finished the grocery. So here are what I got. So ito ang mga nabili ko sa Walmart. Yan. So yan ang Walmart. Okay, so kararating ko lang sa aming bahay. At papakita ko sa inyo ang mga pinamili ko. So here, I have here a pineapple. So here, pineapple. And of course, my husband's favorite, one of the favorite, ang apple. Melon, watermelon. Tapos hot dogs. At meron din akong banana. So banana, wala silang green na banana. Good for, supposed to be good for next week. So ito na ang nakita ko na green. Bumili din ako ng romaine lettuce. So romaine lettuce. And mini peppers. Different colors, but hindi ito spicy, but it's a sweet type of chili, type of pepper. So bumili din ako ng chocolate drinks. So ito, sarap ito. Tapos wheat bread for my husband. At saka bun, hotdog bun. Tapos ito for personal use. Tapos kasi mag-work na ako this coming Monday, so I brought me a shoes. It's a cheap type of shoes for just for work. So this one is cost $14.98. So ito, black color. Kasi blue sana ang gusto ko, kaso wala silang blue. So I just choose the black for all colors, the black. And I bought me a scrub for work. This is the uniform that they want me to use. So, yeah. Scrub ang tawag nito. Then, last is the upper uniform. So, mahal ang uniform nila. Mahal. Pero, needed for work. So, I just bought it. So, gagamitin ko na to this coming Monday. And the cost of this is like $18.98. So it's my uniform for my coming job. So okay, so I think that's all for today's video, and sana ay na-enjoy nyo ang panonood ng video ko, at please subscribe, like, and share my videos, and hope to see you again in my next video. Bye! Thank you! Bye-bye!